Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. Happy to have you here for a couple of minutes with me. I'd like to talk to you about service blueprint. So at Cemantica, you can either create a dedicated service blueprint map or add key element of the service blueprint in your customer journey map. So let's review the different options. So here we can decide to start a new journey map, and then you will see that you have a service blueprint template, dedicated service blueprint. Let's preview it. So here you go, you have all the key elements of a service blueprint. So let's see when the map is done. So that's a service blueprint map, and here you can see the stages. Then you have different lanes for the service blueprint, like the timing. So here it's the time that it takes for the customer to complete that stage. You can list your systems here, so you can add different system. You can upload a specific list. You can have your department, then issue. You can list your touch point, customer action, processes. You even have like the KPI if you think it's important for your service blueprint. Product library, you can upload a list as well. So you can add as many elements as you wish here by selecting the different swim lane. All right, so that's a dedicated service blueprint map. Now, if you are on the regular journey map, so you've mapped your journey, so here you have different lanes. So you have the interaction done, sentiment map. Here, the pains were listed, the gains, feedback, KPI, opportunity solution, etc. Then you can decide to add a divider lane. So very easy. You can actually change the color and the style of divider lane. And below the divider lane, you can have all the service blueprint elements like the system, for example, the action, the department. So you can add the lane here that you think are necessary for your service blueprint. And then you have your lane here. So you have all the elements above the visibility line for the customer and below the visibility line. And this is how you can combine a journey map with a service blueprint key element. All right, so I hope you liked it. If you want more information, you can go on the Cemantica website or write us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you very much. Bye bye.